Everyone, and welcome to my final project for Intro to R. We'll be discussing my package rPoetry, which creates 3 different types of poems using R programming language to make learning R more fun and memorable, even if it's not necessarily instructional or informative. First, we'll go through the 3 different functions that I created. The first one is to generate poem, and so here we can see we have the form, which is the type of poem we are going to create, which can be a haiku, sonnet, or limerick, and then the theme, which could be data frames, functions, or loops. And we'll use various language, verbs, subjects, adjectives to make the poetry kind of fun and different as we go. So first we will generate a poem, and it will show us a default haiku about data frames. So let's say I do it again and I want to create a limerick, and I want it to be about loops. Here we go, it will create one, and now we want it to be about data frames, just to show that there is a bit of variation in what comes out. However, if I want to change the form to a story, we'll see that that's not possible. We need a haiku, limerick, or sonnet, one of these very specific themes. Forms, I mean. So now we'll go to the next function, which is a generate a random poem. So here I really don't need to think about what type of poem I'm creating. It's more just going to give me a new one each time I try. So here we have a limerick. Now we have another limerick, but we can see that they differ in the theme. And now we have a haiku. And so it just kind of can create fun different ones as we go. And then the third function, list forms, it's just going to tell us what type of form, what type of poem that we can create. And so now let's say I want to learn more about generating a poem, seeing as that's our toughest function. It'll bring us over here to the help section, and it will tell us the form, the theme, and it'll also give us a description of what is a haiku, what is a limerick, what is a sonnet. And so here, sonnet is a 4-line reflective poem, and it'll talk about the different themes. And then below we have different examples of what you can run, and it also will tell you the value to expect, which is a character string. Finally, just to make sure that everything works well, we already did this, but we're going to run it again and it passed all of the tests to make sure that we are creating the right type of poem, that there is variation, and that the forms that we create are the ones we want. Thank you very much.